them to a certain extent, but then there has to be numbers coming in, there has to be revenues coming in. I need people who understand from that perspective, where
I could add a little value here in terms of store managers. If you look at for say a Louis Vuitton or a Cartier, they themselves are actually they're fairly well known in the fashion fraternity. They're people who are extremely highly paid. I mean, we're not talking about store managers who get salaries in the thousands. We're talking about store managers who are getting salaries in the lakhs per month. And these are people who are today getting 15-20 lakhs of salary, who are managing flagship stores. The store manager, and typically it's a her, very rarely it's a him. But these are women who are constantly covered in fashion magazines as brand ambassadors and the face of the brand and so on and so forth. The young people who and a lot of time, I'm not talking about the socialites who get covered who are brand ambassadors. I'm actually talking about professionals who are wearing fashion are socialites. And so how do you get, how do you find somebody who understands all this and is willing to work as a store manager? And everybody, the connotation of store manager is wo to dukaan ko dekh raha hai kind of thing. So it's a very difficult profile to find, and hence for the big luxury brands, it's a very highly paid position as well.
Actually, I think what you're saying is absolutely right. We actually tried that, and maybe for the larger companies it may be better. The profile of the store manager, we actually raised from a particular grade, and we made it equivalent to in an FMCG company an RM position. So actually by doing that, we raised the salary so dramatically that we got a very different crowd of people coming in. And in fact, just to supplement what Shailja just said, we tried one in the apparel industry at that time. There weren't too many women store managers, and we were very lucky to get about 6 to 8 women store managers who at that time, I think we were paying about 80,000-90,000 rupees a month plus incentives. But believe me, every rupee of that was well spent, because I have seen a direct correlation between the quality of the store manager and the sales of the store. And you more than recover it. So, if you can get that right person, for a store or for a property, I think it makes a huge difference, which is actually recovered in the form of better revenue.
And a lot of retailers tend to compromise on this. Where they have bands and grades, and they say no, store manager has to be in the 5 to 6 lakh kind of bracket. I mean, my view is very different, especially for niche spaces. The store manager really makes a big difference.
There's one more point in this, like we also have to push colleges, especially MBA colleges, to specialize training on this.
Or other vocational, like retail management and MBA would be
Pantaloons, they started their own colleges just to train people in specialized retail only. So we can focus if some industry like hospitality. So we just push them to push hospitality as a different course. 2-3 months they spend on this. They know about the industry, what kind of people we are focusing there. So after this, when they come back, come to the corporate, so they have some idea about this. So it's easy to train them on this.
And typically, what's the point actually here? Because hospitality industry still has a lot of hotel management courses happening. But what is at the same time happening is that there are other industries which find those people very, very good in terms of their talent, their soft skills, etc. Yeah. And the number of working hours that are there in the hotel industry and the salaries that are there, a lot of people are moving out of the hospitality industry.
I think Yuvraj would be in a position to tell us more about this. Yuvraj, would you like to?
Instead of really talking first about the hospitality industry, if I have to look at from the executives, recruiters' point of view, to make a good contribution to the industry whichever you are working with, it's important to really understand the profile what you are looking for. And how do you understand the profile is basically experiencing the work what a person is supposed to be doing after getting into the industry. And it becomes very, very relevant when you're talking in terms of hospitality. If you go to a hotel or an outlet in a hotel, you will definitely find a distinct difference between a person who serves in maybe in 360 or in Taipan or in Dampuk or Bukhara as compared to a person who is serving probably in one of the food outlets in the mall. The type of connect these people have with the guests is so immense. It does not come with any training, it does not come with any profile. It comes only because of the passion to work for the hotel and know people around. If one has to experience, share experiences of people, if a hotelier, if a hotel management student is working with a hotel, he doesn't work for money. Because the salary what he would get around 10,000, 15,000 rupees salary, 5,000, 6,000 with a tip with what he gets probably at the end of the month, 18, 20,000 rupees. The fellow basically works in the industry because he loves the industry and he loves the buzz around in the place. He loves to interact with Sanjay Dutt, he wants to be known by Sonia Gandhi, he wants to be called by first name by any other celebrity who walks into the restaurant. He wants to hear that that manager is telling that so and so has come, probably you go and attend the person because you have a better connect.